We'll show this. All right, there we go. We should be all good now. Let's just see if it updates. Oh. Alright, there we go. We should be all good now. Yeah, we're all good. Okay. And we are live on YouTube and Twitch. Just let the Telegram know. Okay. Okay. How do you just want to view trading view? Let's go to BTC. Which chart should I pull up? I used the Bitmart one. This one. Yeah, we'll just use this one for now. I don't want to mess up the chart too much. Let me get rid of this 1618 down here as well. Okay, 0.618, 2618, 1618, 3618, 4618. And then what I can also do is this. Oh my days, how many Fibonacci's have I got? That is insane. Get rid of this. Get rid of this. We need to keep. We'll keep that one. We'll keep this one. This one's not even visible anywhere. This is just all support in this area. So what I'll do is I'll change these lines of support to boxes. So it makes it a lot easier to see what's actually going on. Okay. Yeah, that makes sense to do that actually. Okay. We'll do this as a rectangle here. So we'll do this. Just make this a support box down here. Yeah. There we go. Okay. If anyone's watching, I'm literally just like cleaning up the chart so it's easy for you guys like understand what's going on. So my bad if it is a little bit messy and a little bit all over the place, because this isn't the usual Bitcoin chart we use in for the Telegram group, because the other one has Elliott Wave and stuff all over it. So yeah, I just want to sort this chart out for you guys to make it as easy as possible. I do want to let the regular group know that we are live as well. We're live on Twitch as well, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, we are. We're live on Twitch. That's cool. Stream manager. Okay. Yeah, we're live. Is there any audio on Twitch? Okay. Yeah, we are. We've got audio there. That's lit. Okay. So let me share the link as well to this. Okay. Okay. Let me just let some people know that we are live. So we're live on Twitch, on YouTube. We'll just accept that for now. Add attachment. There we go. Crypto. There we go. Okay. Alright, let's just see what's going on with Bitcoin then. Welcome guys to the stream as well. If anyone's just tuned in, I do apologize if there's any audio issues. So I've not really had time to set anything up. I just thought let me jump on instead of just sending the charts to the VIP group. I might as well just do it live so you guys can see. Obviously, I'm not going to use the VIP charts that we have. That has like Elliott Wave and all that good stuff on there. We will just use like a relatively old chart that I had, but it's very valid. It's got so many key levels on it from previous bull run. As you can see, this whole area has just got so much TA on it, and I do understand that it might be a little bit difficult for you guys to understand what's really going on. It's just like mess, but it's like, to me, it makes sense. So every blue line is support, either from the run up that we've had or the previous bull cycle or even the previous bear cycle. So what I have now is we have like 3 zones here in this area where we are now, where I wouldn't even say 3, I say 4, because we got this one down here as well. So we got this, and this. So we are currently bouncing from a 0.618 and the 786 of a previous high. I just don't know where it's from. That's the only issue. I do want to see where it's from now. So I'm gonna go to the daily, and we'll see where this is pulled from, because it seems like every single time that we come up to these levels, especially on this chart, because I don't really use this chart that much. It seems like it really does bounce from like either these purple lines or from a 0.618 or 786 that I've had like drawn up from a while ago. So I'm just checking where these lines are from and how long we've had these lines on the chart for. So now I'm going to actually start dating them. I'm going to start making sure that we have a date on these, because some of these trend lines and Fibonacci's are, I mean, they really are holding. Where's this trend line from? All right, so this trend line was drew in May. Okay, so that's something. Honestly though, the reason why I have gone live, I just want to give like a market update. I have currently gave an update in the Telegram group. I will read it out to you guys. So I said, quick market update. We got to my 61 to 58k area, which we have done. We got to 61k. I am expecting a bounce in and around this region, purely because we have touched this fib down here, and it may look very messy to you guys, but like I said, it makes pure sense to me that we are bouncing from some sort of key level, because honestly, like, if this is lost and this comes down to 60.8k, if this is lost, then we are going to go straight to the 59k area, and we will be in and around this purple box, which I really don't want. Especially it would be too easy. Honestly, I think a really nice bull trap now would be ideal. I think over the weekend we see some really nice movement up. That would be ideal, and this is a really nice candle. So let's see how this 15 minutes ends. Ideally, it stays blue. So yeah, I'm just watching. We bounce. Look, I mean, this range is so tight. I think it's like a 1k range. And it's currently bouncing from there. If it holds it, then that would be awesome. We're currently getting some reversal signs here on the 15 minutes, and RSI is actually starting to flip bullish here, which is really nice to see. We have literally just became like just about oversold here. In the grand scheme of things, we've been oversold since 35 on RSI, but I mean, we're extremely oversold here. The last time we had that, we were oversold here, and we did see a little bounce, and we literally rejected from the 0.618 up here. So if we do get a bounce from here, then we will ideally at least come up to the 0.618 again, or we'll come in and around this region. So I do just want to mark this region really quickly, because if anyone was like to scalp trade right now, then this is the scalp trade to take, probably from here to this region, this high here, and then if we do have some bear diff forming, then obviously start to take some profit. I don't get what's going on here, but yeah, that is definitely something to watch out for. This is just on the 15-minute. I don't normally like to zoom in this much, but because we are bouncing from a really nice area, I think it's important just to watch how these candles will play out. So we've got 4 minutes until this 15-minute runs out, so we do have time to look at the daily. To me, this daily doesn't, I'll be honest, it doesn't look that bad in terms of this decline from, I think we rejected from 69. So what we 69, yeah, 69.97 9 we've currently rejected from, which is once again we've kind of front run at like a key psychological level at 70k. And I do think that we might do that again. And the reason why I say this is purely because this VWAP obviously is very low, and we are starting to become really oversold now on the daily. But I know on the 4 hour we're completely oversold. Yeah, we are. We're coming in and around that oversold region. As soon as we get into 35, then we are oversold, and it's normally the best time to look for a bounce, even if it's just a mini bounce. You normally like to bounce in around the 35 on the RSI, and it's something that people never really talk about either. So it's lining up with the market cipher V really nicely as well. So we could possibly get a green dot down here really soon, and that could catapult us up quite nicely into in and around the 67k to 70k region. I did say if we break that, then we do leave a lot behind. We do leave a CME gap, and 90% of the time they do get filled, whether that's within a month or whether it's in a day. 90% of the time they do get filled. So I'm currently saying that if we do bounce from here, it's purely because we have come in and around this 0.618, and we've come to my target of 61k. And like I said, I said in the Telegram, we are seeing a lot of food right now. We're seeing that Israel is possibly going to go to war tonight against like 4 or 5 countries. Obviously, that's not nice. And I do pray that everyone in that side of the world, whether you support Palestine, whether you support Israel, no matter what, we're all human. So we shouldn't be fighting over things like this, especially in 2024. I think the world's got too many other problems to worry about than fighting over land these days. It's crazy. But yeah, I do just want to send a quick prayer out to them guys out there, no matter what side you support. But in terms of the stock market obviously has reacted nasty to it. Maybe there's a little bit of whistleblowing going around that there's a possibility of the war actually happening, and now we're just only getting the information as retail traders or retail investors. So again, we're always, no matter what, we're always going to have a disadvantage. So there's a lot of insider information going around and insider trading going on. The rich are not going to stop the rich from insider trading because they're all friends. So no matter what, we're going to have a disadvantage there. And maybe the whistleblower is possibly coming from the US government. We don't know. So that's something to keep in mind, because if a war does start tonight between Israel and 4 or 5 other countries, America and England are not going to. I'm an American and I'm also British too. I'm half and half. I literally grew up in both, and my parents are from both countries as well. I got one parent from the US and I got another one from the UK. So from what I know of the two countries, I just know they're not gonna let it slide. Of one country absolutely getting bombarded. So if that does happen, then I really do expect a real big sell-off to happen. Well, again, it's I've said recently in my Telegram group that I've seen, well, I've had like a theory, and obviously this is pure like conspiracy, but we were legit talking about a couple of the members. We were talking about like what happens if the markets actually decide how the world goes instead of how the world goes decides the markets. Because if you look at this, I'll show you this chart. I've had this chart in the VIP group for a while, and I'll actually show you guys. I'm not really bothered. So obviously we were just talking about this today. I recently just sent this to one of the guys, so I can get rid of that now. As you can see, I've had this on the chart from some kind of pullback like this on the chart for what date? Since June 13th. I drew this support box down here. And I'm not saying we get there, but it just looked like purely because of market cipher B and RSI is completely oversold here. It's funny how this whole Israel situation, that there's gonna be a war and that there's this recession that's looming over us. It's funny how it happened exactly as this red dot printed on market cipher B. Again, it can purely be conspiracy, but I think it's really interesting, honestly. Like, it seems like every single time we get bad div on any real good chart, something news related comes out. I don't know the reason why it does that, but we were talking about it in the Telegram group the other day, so I just thought I'll bring it up. It was pretty funny. But yeah, I am actually watching for this to play out. And as crazy as it sounds, do I see a 15% pullback in the stock market? What will that do to Bitcoin? Will it bring Bitcoin down, or will Bitcoin just do its own thing? Obviously, we don't know. Obviously, this is hindsight. I am still expecting Bitcoin to continue to rally from here. Like I said, but does this mean the stock market continues to dump? I'm just currently looking at the money flow. The money flow is leaving. We do have a red cross there on the daily. I know the weekly doesn't look amazing. Yeah, the weekly's got just so much better div. I've even drew it from over here from January 22. So it literally goes back all the way since then. And of course, we got this impact momentum wave. Every single time we get an impact momentum wave. And what I mean by that, so if you guys don't know about Market Cipher B, this is really strong bull div here, where we make the left side. So obviously the left side is deeper than the right side. That's really strong bull div. But if we just get one like this, that's called an impact wave, an impact momentum wave, where you will see a sharp increase really quickly. And they're normally quick, aggressive moves, but they can really quickly be taken out. And what I mean really quickly taken out the market, this is the weekly, so it can take obviously loads of times in terms of days, but in terms of weeks from previous weeks before it, it can really come down quick in terms of week wise. So we do have bad if here, 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 and we do have a little bit of bull if here. So we come back down, found a little bit of support here, and then we've continued going up. So I do want to add this level now to the chart. So this is where all these horizontal lines come from. It's like key levels like this. So I can put a horizontal line here. So now if we do come back on here and we bounce from there, I do think it will be a lackluster bounce. So it'll be something. Oh man, I don't think it'll be nice to watch on the chart. It's just an idea. I'm not saying it's going to happen. Because it obviously you just never know what's going to happen in the world at this point. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put text here. So bounce from here will be bearish. So bounce from here will be bearish from this horizontal line because it will be a fake back test of a non-existent breakout. This isn't a breakout of any source. Like, we've not broke out. We've not even broke the trend line, the bullish trend line that we had since, I think it was from October. I think, yeah, it was October 23rd. We had it since. So any back test here, this blue / purplish line, around about 4,952, it will be bearish. It's just straight up that it's that simple. It will be bearish. I also have just noticed that we do have some bear div on market cipher B on the weekly, on the RSI as well, I should say, which is not nice at all. So the market is really is looking really tricky right now, to say what's going to happen. But all we can do is just base off price action, and just purely just go off literally just price action and market cipher B and RSI. Like these, everything I got on this chart right now, I just call them my friends, because without these, I don't think it's even possible to trade. Like obviously, like other people have different trade strategies, but I just don't understand how you can have market cipher B, which has every single good trading indicator into one. I just don't get how people don't use it. But each to their own, man. Honestly, like some people use ICT, and to me, ICT is a load of rubbish. Let's see what's going on with ADA right now, because I know ADA's running out of time. Yeah, look, so ADA is running out of time here. So I did say once we did break out, which we have done, I do want to see a fake out and then go. So we've had that fake out now, and it didn't actually break this trend line for Cardano. So Cardano's still looking really bullish. Obviously, the weekly isn't looking the greatest for now, but actually, it's not looking that bad in terms of like against other altcoins. So that's pretty cool. That is really cool. I am just getting quite a few notifications that Bitcoin is trying to come down again. It's really struggling on the 15-minute time frame. That's what I can see on my other chart. Let me put it up real quick. Yeah, we're struggling here. We're struggling so bad here. Okay, let's see what's going on Bitcoin. We will go to the 4-hour. See, again, the 4-hour is pretty much completely oversold here. I don't know, man. This is ugly. Like, it's just an ugly chart. If we don't bounce from here, it will be so ugly. Like, it will not look nice at all, guys. Like, we really need to bounce from here, especially in and around this 61K ish area. I do think we will bounce though, because if we don't, then again it's just been too easy, because it either way I'm hedged, so for me it doesn't make a difference. But for guys shorting this from 70K, are they really gonna have this easy of a ride straight down? I mean, it's been from 70K all the way down here on 20-30x leverage. These guys are making so much freaking money right now. I just don't see it happening where it's that easy for them. Maybe I could be wrong, but I have faith in this area holding for now, for sure. But we do have, I think we have an hour left until the daily candle closes. An hour and 30 something minutes. I don't know, 40 something minutes maybe, for the daily to close. Yeah, we've got about an hour 36 minutes, which is a lot can happen in an hour and 30 minutes for Bitcoin. But yeah, we're just holding a range. We're not even broke out of a range. We've just, look at this whole area, just fib boxes and just support, resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance. Like, it's just, that's all it is. So nothing's really changed. I've literally stick to my targets. This whole, ever since we've had this pullback, I've literally said expect 61 to 58K, and then from there we should have a parabolic move up. Could the low be in now? Possibly, it could be. If it is, then again it's bounced from an area I said it will. But to me, it just doesn't look clean if it fully bounces from here and it completely breaks the 67 to 70K region. I just think, again, this market's designed not to be easy, and to long 61K and 59 to 58K or whatnot, it just seems too easy. And I don't think this market is going to make it easy for us. So that's something to definitely watch out for. I'm also seeing a lot of people on Twitter saying ETH BTC is extremely bearish, but I beg to differ. I don't believe it is. I'm gonna be so honest. Let me have it. See, look again. Like, what is crypto Twitter talking about? It's there's so much bullshit out there, man. I'm gonna be so honest. Like, this live ain't designed for kids. I'm gonna be so real. Like, no bullshit aside. What is bearish about this? Like, what? Why am I seeing ETH BTC is going to zero? Like, we're literally already at zero for one. We literally rejected off a trend line. We have done a fake out. We back tested the fake out, and now we really broke down. We tried to find a way back up. We haven't. And now we're chilling at literally support again. Look, I mean, you guys saw me click on this chart, so I've not even had time to update it. But look how close we've come to my fib box. I mean, we've literally it accepted us back straight into the range straight away. We didn't even break down. What I do want to do is get rid of this 4618 though. So let me get rid of that. I will get rid of this now. So there we go. Make it a bit cleaner. But yeah, so we are in a trend channel. I don't want to say it's a descending wedge or anything like that. We're just in a range, a really, really deep range of just consolidating. Look at it. We started this. I mean, we could say we started from here, August 22, September 22, or whatnot. But I'm not going to stretch it that far because it makes zero sense to, because that range is obviously we broke out here and it's complete fake out ever since then, so I'm not including that. One thing I will say though is the only thing that I see that's really bearish here, that is any type of bearishness I see here, is this money flow is so bad. It is shocking. Like, so we will, I just want to see what this money flow is. So the money flow is currently 30%, minus 30%. So we do want that to come back up to at least zero to make us somewhat bullish in the long term, which I do think we are. I think ETH BTC is really bullish. The only problem is it's just purely this money flow, and this goes perfectly with what's going on with BTCD. So I honestly think this is the only real crypto market down right now. And I shared in my group 60. One of the things that I don't want to happen, I really don't want it to happen, because I do think 60 is really far. But if it does reach 60, then the nuke that we will have from 60, we will probably see the biggest alt season in terms of, not percentage wise, but in terms of market cap for the whole total free being incredible. It'll be the biggest we've ever seen it by far. But yeah, we are rejecting from a trend line, I believe. That I have, yeah, we're rejecting perfectly from it, and we have bear div on the weekly. We have got bear div on the 4 hour. We try to break above it, we reject it straight away. We're coming up to it now and rejecting again. So that's interesting to see. Do we continue to dump from here on BTCD? If we do, then alts will have a really nice run. I just want to have a look at total free. So let me have a quick look at total free and what's going on here. I don't think it would have took that much of a hit today. Yeah, it hasn't. It's basically done nothing. So it's had it. So if we do bounce now, and I do think we will bounce really soon, we're currently just having a fake out of support being broken here, a complete fake out. If we lose this, then we will gravitate right down here, straight to the low again. But this 4 hour is completely oversold. Market size would be, we could print a green dot right here really soon. So what I can say is just be careful of something like this happening if I can find the right tool. Let's see what we can pull up here. I don't know why the tools are all mixed up. Definitely not that. I cannot find the right tool, man. What the heck is this? Okay, the tool's generally not there. What the fuck? This is really annoying. Which is the price range? So just expect something like this to happen. Like, just be careful, something like that. If you're short now, especially if this is a fake out, normally I'll draw it, but it seems like the tool to draw is just not there. The pen's not there. It's just either I'm blind or it's not there and I can't see it, so I don't really care at this point. Screw it. So just watch for a fake out here. So there's could be a possible fake out right here. So we will put this here. So if it's a fake out, then we will get accepted straight back into the range here. And we will continue with the plan that I've had, which is we do have a pullback and then we continue going up. I said ideally we don't lose this purple box. We have lost it, and we ever since then we've just been trying to find a way to get back in it. See, we got rejected, 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 rejected. Awful candle there. This kind of saved us, but this was inevitable that this is going to play out and we're just going to come down. Rejected, 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 rejected. Breakdown. Fake out. Accepted. Accepted. Rejected, rejected. Again, rejected. And again, possible fake out again. And this possible fake out is a low high. No, higher low, I should say. Is a higher low at the moment. So if it stays like that, that is extremely bullish. Money flow is actually looking nice, but maybe we do get another red dot here on the weekly. But for now, we've got a green dot and we still have 2 days and 2 hours to see where that can take us. And I do think we should go up at least touch the purple box again. So that's something to watch out for. Let's look at we've already checked BTCD, USDT.D. Let's have a look at what's going on here. Okay, so I said to the Telegram group, the VIP, that we would bounce somewhere in and around this region of the 0.618 and 786. Obviously, we've been floating in around. We got dangerously close to breaking it. I mean, how close can we get to say, oh shit? Let's do that. See, there's no filter here, guys. Like I don't fake none of this. Like what you guys see in the YouTube videos I upload is like it's low key, like it's kind of heavily edited because man, oh man, like when I move the charts like that, it throws me off so much. I've just been so real. But yeah, we literally bounced here. And we broke the trend line literally with the same candle. We had a nice back test, continued up, rejected. But then we got accepted in. Then we had a fake out, rejection, straight to the POC. We bounced around the POC. We had a fake out again to the range lows, and then we broke out. It's literally going exactly how I said. If I could long this, I would have longed this down here, man. I literally, before we even got here, I already had this. So yeah, it's just nice to see the TA play out. So I said in and around this green box, we will see a rejection. I said ideally we do hit the 0.618 and continue down, but I'm happy to say this is likely complete. I'm really happy to say we've likely completed this this fake move up again, because as I said, this is not impulsive. This is corrective, and this candle looks impulsive only because of what's happened today. And you could say, well, you could say that with any other coin or something like this, but this isn't just any regular chart. This is a dominance chart, so it's not even just the USDT chart. This is just dominance. So it's I would just be careful now with USDT D that we do continue this strong move back down a lot lower, so we can continue going up for crypto. I'm pretty tired. So what we can say, this is a B, and then possible C wave there, and then we'll have 5 waves down from anywhere in this purple, anywhere in this green box. I'll be happy with that. Just be careful though that this green box can stretch all the way up here and fill this wick. That's the only reason why it can stretch this long, by the way, because I don't normally count wicks, but because this wick is so long from the 0.618 to the 786 and broke it, I would just have this green box just as a caution, just in case. But let's look at some altcoins while we're at it. I'll probably look at maybe 3 altcoins, and then we'll jump off the stream. So I'm just thinking what altcoins we can look at right now. Let's see. Maybe I don't want to look at Ethereum because we just looked at ETH-BTC. We did just look at ADA as well. Let's say Tau for now. I love Tau. It's the best AI coin in crypto by far. I just want to see which Tau chart this is. I don't know if I have anything on this one. No, I have nothing on this one. Let's try the Mexi one, which normally does have something on it. Whether it's from something when I was trading or something when I'm looking to buy in spot, it's normally the Mexi chart that I use. Yeah, there we go. Okay. So I like this daily. I really like this daily. So we should be oversold here. We are getting close to being oversold. We're 2 away from being oversold. The money flow is actually looking really nice. So this is something to keep an eye on. Tau is always something to keep an eye on. Just purely because of what the coin is. But this gives me further confirmation that the TA is playing out again. So the minimum I see Tau going down to was obviously here, but I did give it room to have a fake out, and it seems like we didn't get that fake out. Did we get that fake out from here? I don't think we do, honestly. I think the area that we need to watch now for Tau is this now. So we have to do a fib inside of a fib. Yeah, that's right. So I will just hide this one for now to make it a bit easier for you guys to see. So let's get rid of this big fib. So let me just rename this fib. Real. Let's call it real. And we will hide it for now. Okay, so if we want to look more micro, the most micro I'll go down to is the 4 hour for this coin, because everything else is pretty self-explanatory. So what I've done, I've drawn a fib from the recent low down here to the recent high, which is here. So we are now currently in support. We've just entered support, and if we want to bounce from anywhere, this is the area to bounce from, in between 263 and 236. So if you haven't long Tau or you haven't got any Tau, and we do rip here, like we go crazy from here for Bitcoin, then this is your last chance to grab Tau. It's that simple. At these prices, do we come lower into the bigger fib box and we go a little bit lower and we make a double bottom? Possibly. But if you're looking micro, this is what I mean. Like micro and macro, they line up perfectly, but it really does depend on the range because we are, if as you can see, we are in the fib box here by quite a bit. So right now you could say we're at the POC, the point of control, and we are pretty much midway through the fib box. So this kind of gives you information that okay, the 4 hour is oversold. It is starting to cross the yellow line, I do believe here. We're getting close to crossing it, so we're getting ready to cross the yellow line here. We should print a green dot here. We do have hidden bullish divergence. This is what the diamond is here. So we do have hidden bullish divergence in and around this region. So normally it does play out, and we normally do get a green dot or even a green circle, even a combination of both in and around this area. So it's just something to watch out for. But yeah, we do just want to make sure that we don't leave any stone unturned, because charts like this can really just go from 264 today, and in a month's time it'll be at 1,000 plus. So I've told this Telegram group, make sure that you are interested in Tau and you understand what Tau is, and make sure that you don't sleep on this or coin, because the target's over there, as you guys can see what we can expect for Tau really, really soon. So yeah, that's Tau. Let's see what other coins we have here. I see Pepe. I've not looked at Pepe in a little while. So Pepe, okay. So Pepe looks really interesting on the weekly here. Really interesting here. This can go two ways. So we do have an Elliott wave, and we are currently working on the fourth wave to the downside. But I'll give it maybe 2 more weeks, and if we haven't broke out of this sideways range, then I would have to say that this range now is becoming a flat pattern in a wave 4. So we will do from here to here. So for 70 days, for 84 days, we've been in and around a range, and it's seen us have a 47% drop in and around this area. So this is something to watch out for. I think it's something. Let me hide it for now. So if we don't come down to in and around this area, and I can pull out exactly where we should go to. That is so interesting. Okay. So it seems like we've done the minimum expectation of what our pullback can do from the low to high in terms of Fibonacci support. We've done the bare minimum. So we've come into the fib box and we've come straight back out of it. But it looks like we do want to come a bit lower. The chart's like, okay, we're not ready yet. Like let's just hold our horses here and let's slow down. And let's just make sure we do fulfill the actual wave degree. And obviously Elliott wave, I don't think Elliott wave is the most accurate thing in the world, but it can really give you some like really good targets to go along with whatever trading strategy you use. So for me, RSI, market cipher beep, and just pure price action and Fibonacci's. So all 4 or 5 of them things come together nicely, and it really does give me the indication of where we're going in the market. So anything in this region or lower is worth grabbing some Pepe, because we're gearing up for that 5th wave, and this 5th wave will be a 5-wave move up as well before a 3-wave move down, which should maybe bring us back here exactly where we are right now. I am getting some notifications that Bitcoin is struggling again. We just got a red dot on market cipher B on the 15-minute time frame. This 4 hour is pretty much completely oversold now as well for Bitcoin. You guys can't see this because I'm literally looking at it on a different device, but we can pull it up real quick. BTC. I think the BTC Binance chart is the one that has all the TA on it. I think it is. But we will just use the Coinbase one right now. Yeah, this is the one I was showing earlier. Okay, we'll get rid of these price ranges and data range as well. Oh no, this is even the same one. This is a different one we were showing, and again, it's bounced from key levels that I was talking about from down here, but this was weeks ago, so that was nice to see. Um, I do not want to see us come down this low right now. That wouldn't be nice, for sure. But money flow is getting nice. Money flow is pretty decent here in the weekly. Um, but we still do have 2 days left, so yeah, I do want to hold this low. I really do want to hold this low of 60K. That would be awesome if we hold that low. But yeah, we're trending in a nasty downturn right now. If anyone shorted 70K, then congrats, guys. I was waiting for 72, and I told myself I'm not gonna short, just purely short at that level. So instead of I decided to hedge. I didn't think that that was the best decision at the time. And this low key was a really good entry again down up here to short. I didn't take it um, because I don't need to. I'm literally hedged. I do want us to bounce though. I'll be so honest. I what I want is a really nice bull trap, like a really nice one. To make bulls think we're gonna break out a 70K from here, that will be the best thing for the chart by far. If we go by 9K from here, oh man, if we can do that, that'll be so awesome. Um, yeah, and then we do come back down in and around the 58K again, and then from there we have a real proper nice third wave rally. But again, we could rally from here. Um, but the reason why I say I don't think we will is not because of RSI and not because we could get a green dot here. Um, it's purely the daily. I think when we get this bounce, it's going to be because of the daily. It's going to be an impact wave, which will also, no matter what, create strong bullish divergence from here. So it will look something like this. See where this green dot is here? It will look something like this. I think we will get it around about here. So I think we will get this green dot here. Literally on this line, I think we will get the green dot on the daily. The momentum wave is definitely coming down for sure. It's just hidden in between the VWAP right now. And we did have bearish divergences up here, but I literally said that in the Telegram group as well. But yeah, this is starting to look really. Even the daily starting to look oversold. So it's not got. I don't think this has got much more room to go down. Probably even to 61K, pretty much on the dot. Maybe it might just hit 60.9K or something like that. But yeah, I would expect us to reverse really soon. Let's see this. We're not even oversold here, but we are becoming neutral. We're neutral on the weekly. Let's see what the monthly's saying. Monthly is just. This is really interesting. See, this is something that I've not even checked. If we cross this and we have a proper breakdown from here, that is mega bearish. I'm not joking. Like this, if we cross this and we come in and around, let's say 45, all the way down here, I would think that the top is in for the bull market, and that would be so unfortunate. But the ideal scenario is that these two do meet and we continue going up. We do not want a death cross here, and a death cross will look like this. So it would look like this. So let me do this for you guys. So we will change the color of this to. We'll change this color to yellow. Make it easier for you guys. We change that to yellow. Okay, that didn't work. We'll change this to yellow from here then. All right, there we go. So if we do this, let's zoom in actually because this is rather interesting. So if we do something like this from here, it'll be perfect like that actually. And then we do this. we can change the color of this to purple. If we do this, the bull runs over, in my opinion. This is the monthly time frame, so it's something to not take lightly, in my opinion. This is called a death cross. We do not want this to happen. If this happens, it can free fall. It can free fall so badly. It will probably bring us in around the support box for the bear market, which is currently in around 35k to 25k. I think it is 27k actually, in around that region. And if we, I don't even want to think of that scenario right now, because this would have been the worst bull run. And then from there, I do think that loads of people would stop trading and stop crypto in general, and probably find another asset class to trade. But it is always good to make sure that you do have a backup for crypto, because again, crypto isn't that young anymore now. It's getting into its teenage years. So is this the real last bull run? Do I think no? I don't think this is the real last one. But I do think the aggression of the moves up and down from maybe next cycle, I think we won't see as much upwards momentum as we have done in the past. But for now, it looks like we are back testing this this yeah, we're back testing this low right now. I can see it on another chart. Yeah, here we go. So I will pull up the 50-minute for you guys. Yeah, here we go. Okay, on the Coinbase chart, we've actually made a new low. On the Binance chart, we haven't yet. I got the Binance chart up on another device, and I've also got the Coinbase one up for you guys. Oh man, let's see what happens here. You guys are seeing this live with me. We don't want to lose this, really. That wouldn't be nice at all. But if we do, then it doesn't really make much of a difference to. It shouldn't make a much of a difference to any of the people in my trading group, at all. But yeah, let's see. We've got 7 minutes until this 15-minute candle ends, so it's still quite a bit of time. Okay, we're starting to recover on the Binance chart as well. Just about. Did we make an equal low here, or did we fall through? Or do we just make a higher low and then we go up from here? The 1 hour now is completely oversold now. It's just broke on the Binance chart. It's just broke down completely. Yeah, there we go. It's done the exact same thing on the Coinbase chart. Do we have any bullish divergence? We do. Very small bullish divergence. Very, very small. And this is even on Market Cipher B. This is on just the RSI. So that is bullish divergence down here. Very weak, but it's there on the hourly. And I do see it on the Market Cipher B as well, actually starting to show hidden bullish divergence. So we will pull up the Market Cipher B chart now as well, which we will try and pull up now too. So we'll get rid of the RSI for now, and then we will pull up the Market Cipher B. Come on, Bitcoin, bounce from here, man. That would be so cool if we catch this little bounce here on live. We do have 5 minutes of this hourly candle as well. Now it's going to be within this hour, and unfortunately I'm not going to be able to stream for this whole next hour as well, because I am getting really tired now. And yeah, so we got the Market Cipher B, we got Cipher B here, and then what we want is the RSI to Relative Strength Index. Okay, so we do have some bullish divergence, like I said, down here, and we do have some hidden bullish divergence here. Do we make a new low or do we hold it? Rose is taking a beating as well. Rose is down 10% in the last 24 hours. I think that's a coin that's really underperformed. I don't understand why though. Honestly, like some altcoins have done well. When I mean well, they've held their own pretty well. Like some are down. The whole market's down, averaging about 60% from its recent high. For altcoins, but some are down like 80-90% from the recent high. Like, I think that's too much. I think Rose is one of them that's done a bit too much, and I like Rose. It's a coin I picked up quite a bit of not that long ago, and I've had it in my holdings for a long time. So yeah, Rose, we need to start making a move. I do want to have a quick look at Rose now, actually, since I just got a notification that Rose is not liking the market at the moment. Yeah, this is just a coin that's just in a nasty downtrend. It's not as worse as like Big Time and Rats Ordinal and a few others, but it is nasty. I don't like this right now. This is this isn't cool. Let's get rid of this because that was a long sell and we hit the profit as well. The take profit on that. We done like 211% from that. But yeah, let's just show a quick trend line from here because yeah, we have to draw it like this because we're just gonna have to say this is a fake out, and it literally is a fake out. We had a very small impact wave here. See how strong these impact waves can be, and this one's tiny, like really small. So it did bring us up nicely, and just that small impact wave actually done quite a bit for the chart. In terms of number wise, I think that's a really healthy percentage. Yeah, it's about 70%, 71% to be to be exact. So that's a really good. It's really nice from that small impact wave. If you guys can hear anything, it's just my dog in the background as well. He's sleeping. Yeah, man. Rose, you need to wake up, man. Damn it. This coin is looking ugly. Ugly. Let's just show a fib. We got rid of this. We got rid of this crap fib. This fib's so ass. What we'll do is a low to high up here. Okay. So either we're having a fake out right now or we are having a breakdown. And this is the daily chart too. So damn, this is not nice. But again, this seems to be happening a lot with quite a few coins. I think Avax is one of them that's had a fake out and then pumped, and it's broke out of the 0.618, but it's come back into the box, and I'm fine with that. I'm totally fine with that. What I'm not fine with is we come back now and we come back to the 0.786 and then reject from there, because then it just proves that the move up was fake. It wasn't a real move up. It was just a 3-wave move up. It'll be a 1, 2, 3. So it'll be literally just an ABC from here. A, B, C from here, and this is just a 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 all the way back down. Yeah, Bitcoin is going down from here. This isn't nice. Bitcoin didn't hold the low, but we got a minute left on the hour. Maybe it's a fake out. Let's see. But yeah, we're just talking about Rose for now. Let's just go back to Bitcoin. Let's see what's going on with BTC. Even if it doesn't hold, it's not the end of the world, honestly. I just find it interesting right now because we're close now to the daily close, and obviously the daily close used to close at this time, but we have had a change in the UTC time plus an hour. So yeah, Bitcoin struggling. Hopefully the new hour brings some Alright, the new hour ends literally in like 12 seconds, 10 seconds. Let's see how this closes. Will it hold it? I think it will. I think it will hold the low. I think it will be equal. Yeah, it did. It held the low. It held it. The hourly did anyway. Could we just break it straight away? Knowing Bitcoin, it probably will do. This momentum wave, it's getting a bit deeper, and the RSI is starting to come up a little bit. If there's going to be any relief, then we would like to see it from here. This will be a nice low, really nice low. Double bottom as well. That's the perfect sign of a correction up as well, which is awesome. So we don't normally have a crazy impulsive moves from a double bottom. Normally that is the perfect signal for a correction back up from here. So yeah, I'm literally just dropping you guys game like crazy. But yeah, I'm just checking the proper Bitcoin chart I have that's fully like got TA everywhere. And we're just chilling in between a fib and yeah. Come on, Bitcoin. Let's see you reverse here. That'll be awesome. But how's everyone doing? How's your day been, guys? How's trading going? I know some guys on here are not part of the VIP group or not even part of the group in general. Some people might just be on Twitch. Some people might just be watching from YouTube. Yeah, so we got someone watching from Twitch. We got 2 people on YouTube. So how are you guys doing? How are you coping with the possibilities that we could be going to war? If you're from the US or if you're from the UK, or even if you're from any NATO country, how are you guys doing? How are you guys feeling? In your country, is there any tension? Is there anything going on that would be interesting to share? Let's see, man. Bitcoin's just wrestling here. It's just wrestling so hard. Money flow is getting better though, which is a nice sign. I do just want to pull up a different chart real quick. I do just want to read Telegram as well, real quick as well. No updates on Telegram. Decent. Okay, so what I want to do is we want to do this real quick. I might actually switch this chart over from TradingView to another asset. I'm gonna say asset class then, but it's because I'm just looking at some charts on a different screen. Okay, all I'm gonna say is a lot of things on the daily are extremely oversold. And when I mean extremely, I mean extremely oversold. So at the bottom of like the one that's extremely oversold the most right now is TRX and WIF. They're the two coins that are down the most in terms of the chances of having a really nice rally come from there. I do just want to see if this chart loads though. I don't know why this chart isn't loading. If this chart loads, then I'll show it. If not, we'll just go back straight to Coinbase. TradingView, I should say. You guys can see the TradingView chart, but I'm currently looking at a different one right now. It'd be nice to see the chart come up. That would be very useful, I think. Let's type in Bitcoin. Okay. I get it now. I get it. I get why the chart's not showing. Okay. Okay, I thought I didn't know. I don't know why it's not showing. We'll just go back to TradingView. Oh, that's cool. All right. So the key thing right now to watch is this RSI here. Completely oversold. Money flow starting to go up. Hidden bullish divergence right here. And we have a fib target up here. So what will you do, Bitcoin? Will you give us some relief? I just want to send this to the Telegram group real quick. I just just seen something that I would like to share with them real quick. See what I mean? I literally said, what are the chances Bitcoin just breaks down straight away and just tries to break the low? But the bulls are fighting it. The bulls are really. I just, if I could show you guys the other chart that I'm looking at, you'll be able to just see the 1 second time frame. And bulls and bears are fighting so crazy for this level right now. Because bulls know if they lose this level, the only chance they got is to hold is 60k. And that will be awful because the chances of breaking 60k, I think, are really high. I think if we touch 60k, we will go into 59-ish region. And then from there, we'll bounce. But that would complete the whole wave 2. And then we should have a really, really parabolic wave 3 that should take us in around 80 to 95k. We could possibly even outstretch and probably hit 100k. And if we do hit 100k from there, not financial advice, but I would start selling a lot of crypto because I do think we would come back down into 59k again. Just to mess with people. And then from there, maybe we make one more high, like 125k, 117k, and then that's it. But yeah, I don't really see us hitting 100k. But if we do, that's my game plan. I just told you guys here what I will do if we hit 100k from there. Okay, let me send this to the Telegram group real quick. Let me do this. Solana apparently is having some issues as well with this whole FTX. Apparently they hold 8% of Solana still. They set it at the high at the top. I'm smelling FUD. I don't believe it right now. 8%, I think, is something, some sort of billion. Like, if there's gonna be a war, it doesn't matter. 8 billion in crypto is nothing. We literally got over $1 trillion market cap. It's literally just retail selling at that point. I don't care about that. I still expect Solana to get in around 750 to over 1,000. No matter what. Ethereum's getting a bounce from here as well. So that's a nice sign, but that's because the ETH BTC chart looks nice, I think. I did buy some more Solana. I think I know exactly where I bought it. 1 second. I'll be able to pull that up real quick. I did tell a previous member of the VIP Telegram group because he really loves Solana as well. So big shout out to him. Let's see exactly where I bought some more Solana. All right, so I bought some Solana not far from here. So I bought a little more at 162. Just add a little bit more because I got Solana all over the place. I've got some Solana. Yeah, I got Solana in like 4 different wallets, and I don't even know how much I own, honestly. But yeah, I'm glad I got some in and around $15. But yeah, I still at this point I'm still adding more, because 750, or even if we just do like a bare minimum of like 450, that's still a really nice run from here. So yeah, shout out Solana, man. Really awesome coin. Literally carried the meme community, because Ethereum's ecosystem is so bad, and there's no way that anyone should really build on Ethereum in terms of for meme coins. Is pointless. I think it's just stupid. I'm never in my life paying the gas fees for Ethereum ever again on a meme coin. Never. I find it so pointless when you've got Ton, Solana, even Base. I know some Base are on Ethereum and whatnot, but even still, the base ones like Brett is now on Coinbase, not on Coinbase, on Mexi, Binance, Bybit, Kraken, KuCoin, BitCat, Blowfin, Bitmart, Femex, Uniswap, and all the rest of them. Like, screw that. You can literally just buy the coin from them exchanges and then just take it into your own wallet. So that's the one thing I do like about base coins. They're really easy to access right now. Where a lot of these Ethereum meme coins, I don't like them, man. I'd rather stick to the Solana ones. I own Donald Trump. It's like a meme coin for Donald Trump, but it's like Donald Trump. I also own Pengy, I think it's called. I think it's like something like this. I don't even know if it's on any exchanges, man. Any exchanges yet? Yeah, it's not. It's only on Solana right now. I think it's this. It might be this. It might not be. Let's have a quick look. But there's so many meme coins, man. It's not this one either. Yeah, it's not. Divergence though. But it's not. It's literally Pengy, not Peng. So yeah. I don't know what much. I don't know what other coins to talk about. I just really want to talk about Bitcoin. And I don't normally just talk about Bitcoin, but this hourly looks nice to me, guys. I'm not gonna lie. I said it's the most thing in terms of for a correction is to make equal lows, and then from there we go and make a nice corrective move up, which aka is a bull trap. And then we come back lower. But how high do we go? That's the question. And I'm saying in around the 67K to 70K region. For me, that would be ideal. Again, I'm not even going to take profits there. I'm just going to add to my short from there. I'm going to add to my head short. I think that would be the best thing for me to do. For now, especially for summer. But we are coming to the end of summer though, so at some point I will have to flip one or the other. But I did do a nice really nice trade. So I did have a hedge open, but I did actually close the hedge in and around 60. I think 60. I think pretty much bang on 62K, maybe a little bit higher. And since then, I've literally just been long. ATX leverage. And the reason why I've not re-hedged here is because my plan, like I said, is to possibly hedge in around 67 to 70K on bear div. If there's no bear div, there's no point in me hedge shorting, because then I'm literally just neutralizing myself, and whatever profit I have there is not going to increase or decrease from there. It's literally just going to stay neutral, which will be incredible profit from here as well. So yeah, especially if we do go to 67K to 70K. On ATX leverage from here, that's my days, it's crazy gains. Let me have a look at what percentage it would be. It would be I'll do 67K. That'll be 452% from here. And then if we do 70K, it will be just short of 1,000%, so it'll be 831%, which will be awesome if we can get there. Trades I'm holding at the moment, pretty much all the ones that I told in the group already, plus Sats NFP, which is up just short of 300%. Sats is up 2,700%. Avero is up 300%. Dogecoin is actually down quite a bit, but I'm not bothered because I've got zero liquidation price. AVAX is down too. KSM has only just gone down. CRV is actually in CRV. Whoa, hold up. That is a coin we do want to check right now. What? The market's bleeding, but CRV is pumping? Wow. But CRV is a crazy coin. Like, this is the strongest coin in crypto. I'm not even gonna lie. CFX. Is that the next one that's like its rival? CFX? I don't remember. I think it is. USDT. I could be wrong. No, I'm not wrong. Yeah, I'm not wrong. It's this one. This is basically its rival. I actually need to look more into it. Yeah, this one ain't holding up anywhere near as good as CRV. You can't play with the king. Man, oh man. The that's it's got bearish divergence everywhere on the daily. Whoa, this would have been a good short. Let's see where we could possibly enter along here. Alright, so it is at the 0.618 and the 786, so it is in and around the area to start building some longs on cross leverage. But I'm not going to. I'm literally taking it as easy as possible at this point. I don't want to. I just don't want the stress, especially because of the last 3 months. We've literally done nothing over the last 3 months. We went sideways beyond sideways. And I'm not dealing with that. I just can't be bothered. I literally weathered the storm. They should like that. That's what you want to call it. I weathered the storm of this whole 3 months of going down and just chopping around and just up down motion, hitting 70k, rejecting from 70k, hitting 52k, bouncing from 52k. I just can't be bothered with it. It's just a massive range. Next time we have a range, and I told my Telegram group that we are gonna do something to counteract this, because again, I'm not dealing with this again. We will legit do what I said, and we will trade other commodities, like we will trade stocks. We'll do gold. We'll do silver. Let's check gold real quick, because gold shouldn't actually be dumping that hard. It really shouldn't actually be dumping that hard at all. Really thinking about it. Yeah, gold isn't. Gold's chilling. Gold has been so nice. Gold has been so nice. Yeah, this gold chart is awesome. This gold chart is really awesome. But again here on the hourly. But ideally it doesn't struggle here. It shouldn't struggle here, I should say. Of course it struggled on the 15 minutes, but that's normal. But for this hourly to take this long, and we've got a green dot on that on the 4 hour as well. I mean, on the 15 minute. If we got a green dot on the 4 hour, we wouldn't even talk about if we're gonna bounce. We will bounce if we do get a green dot on the 4 hour. But green dot on the 15 minute. We have a green dot on the 5 minute, but that's gonna turn red in a second. Yeah. 30 minutes, we are ready to print a green dot as well, and that's what I'm watching for. The 30 minutes and hourly. If we can get a green dot on 30 minutes and hourly, I can go sleep and not worry about what happens to the market in terms of updating the guys in the Telegram group. But the gold is just in a nice uptrend, really nice uptrend. I tried to catch people out here and try and make people sell at this level, but then we got impact momentum wave and we've come back up. Rejection, accepted, rejection. Did we come back down here? Maybe. We do have some money flow leaving. We do have some bearish divergence printing here as well. So this could possibly now be another range to range. Yeah, this could be the playground now. So we could come up here like we got rejected. Take a few days to come down here. Accept, reject, accept, reject, accept, reject, and then in and around this region, I expect gold to top, which can happen in around from, I say, September to November time. Gold could top. That should be a real top for gold. It doesn't mean that we don't continue and we continue up a little bit more, but that should be the top for gold for this bull cycle. Gold's leading the way. And I've been saying Bitcoin will follow gold. So yeah, get ready. If gold's going up, Bitcoin is gonna follow really soon. Them two have really gone in hand recently. Amazon, or was it Apple? Let's have a look at Apple. Obviously, Apple would have had a little fall today because of all the stuff that's happening. Let's see what's going on. Apple's strong. Apple's really strong. But let's look at the daily. This will show us if we are. I mean, the daily's still green. Wow. This just proves how strong Apple is compared to like every other stock. Apple is incredible. Like I yeah. And it's an impact daily momentum wave down here as well, and the reversal signal from that recent high. Apple looks good. I think Apple should continue going up. Um, I'm just thinking what coin we should check now or stock. Bitcoin is trying to recover again here. We've got 40 minutes left of this hourly. I said I don't really want to stay on for the daily close because I do want to give like one last update to the Telegram group before that's me for the night at that point. Let's see what's going on with Metis. I did want to buy some Metis actually. I need to buy some more, I should say. Yeah, this is the real Metis chart. Let's click off this. This is for the VIP only. Okay. Let's try this Binance one. I don't think this is the same one. Yeah, this is a clean one. What I will do for you guys for this Metis chart, I will just show you something real quick. I'm just keeping the VIP one for the VIP to make it fair for them guys. Obviously, them guys pay, so it's only right that I keep some things private. And of course, them guys have priority on everything. But yeah, Metis. If you like Metis, if you don't like Metis, if you want a long Metis, if you don't want a long Metis, then this is the era to start to look to long Metis. It's the era to start to buy Metis if you haven't bought any already. But again, it's never financial advice. It's just something I'm doing. So I will be buying some Metis very soon. I might buy some Metis as soon as I'm done with this stream actually. So my average price will be in and around somewhere in this region, somewhere for you guys wanting to know where that is. This daily is starting to come down and it's starting to look amazing, and the money flow starting to look good. Yeah, I'm buying some ice. Yeah, I'm gonna buy some. This isn't the proper chart, but this will be a nice reminder to me to do so. Actually, buy Metis. Don't forget long. Alright. It's because there's so many coins that I like. We'll do one last coin, which is GMX. This is the last coin we'll cover for the night, and then we will jump off. Let's see what's going on here. I think this is the real GMX coin. Is it? Is this the real one? Yeah, it's the real one. Let's get off this. But as you can see, we are in profit. Just about in profit here on a long. But I do think it reached TP1, which is nice. Let's go to this one. Yeah, we're in profit. You guys could see that then. There's only so much you can hide. But we're in profit there. 10x average on Metis. On GMX, I should say. Okay. GMX. On this chart, we've had this fake out, and this fake out has just continued to be a fake out, just completely lower and lower and lower. Higher low, which is nice. Just backs my idea on the proper Metis chart. I think I've done this for a YouTube video. Yeah, I think this was from a YouTube video, because even on YouTube I don't show the proper charts that we use. And that's the case for every YouTube. I don't think it's just me doing it or whatnot, but yeah. Let's have a quick look at the 3 month. The 3 month is awful. The 3 month is awful on every damn coin. There's no coin where the 3 month looks good. If you guys hear something again in the background, if you just tuned in, it's just my dog sleeping in the background. He does have a flat noise, so he does snore a lot. But yeah, that was the last coin we were covering. Like I said, thank you for checking in. This was just more so of a quick update to see what's going on in the charts. Obviously, I said I will jump onto some of the VIP members, and obviously we have jumped on, and we've done like an hour and a half of just trying pure rubbish. We've just been talking about every single chart pretty much. We want Bitcoin to pump from here, and we're getting somewhat of a pump from here now. This is purely with bullish on the hourly and 15-minute and 30-minute. So let's see what we can do from here. A nice double bottom by the looks of it. And with this double bottom, we should expect to get in around 70k, 67 to 70k. That would be ideal. That would be a nice bull trap. So yeah, that would be awesome. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you're interested in joining the Telegram group, we do have a free one. If you're interested in joining, then just message me, or just leave a comment below, and leave a comment of your Telegram name below, and I'll contact you on how to join. It's completely free. If you're interested in joining the paid one, also leave a comment below. Oh, I'm also tired. If you're interested in trading and you don't have enough funds, then Crypto Fund Trader is for you. It's our channel sponsor, and it's also a prop firm that do give away 5k, 10k, 25k, 50k, 100k, and 200k accounts. You take home 80%, and they take 20%. You just have to pass the basically your trial. You just have to pass it, which isn't hard if you know what you're doing. Obviously, the Telegram group know what to do. Got quite a few people using the prop firms right now. Obviously, loads of people have deployed capital into the market, and obviously the market still continue to dump. Some people are running out of capital, so instead of just buying, constantly blindly buying, then it's good to use some other money, like every other company in the world. They raise money to buy whatever they're doing. What's it called? MicroStrategy. They legit like they're raising 2 billion right now as we speak to try and buy some more Bitcoin. Michael Saylor said so. Yeah, I mean, he's a multi-billionaire, and a billionaire is asking for money from people. So if you guys get the hint, then maybe you should ask a prop firm for some money to trade for crypto. So yeah. Again, it's never financial advice. It's completely do whatever you want. It's your life. It's your trades. But like I said, this will be the end of this live stream. Again, I just want to give a quick prayer out to anyone in the Middle East. I hold the Middle East really close in my heart, as I have lived there. So yeah, I do just want to give a big prayer to anyone in Israel, anyone in Palestine, Lebanon, Syria, and all them other places over there that are possibly involved with conflict. Hopefully, it doesn't go the way how the media is currently portraying as it's going to happen. I think that would be really bad for them countries that want to go against Israel. I think it will be catastrophic for them. If England and America get involved, and then obviously China and Russia would want to get involved too. So I just want to send a quick prayer out to them guys over there, and I just hope that all you guys stay safe and stay blessed. I really do appreciate you guys for watching. I'm so thankful for you guys for watching. If you guys are ever interested in me ever doing another live stream, then again, just hit the like button. It doesn't do anything for you guys. It literally does nothing for me at this point, because I'm still really new to uploading content on YouTube, Twitch, whatnot. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I really do appreciate it. Hope you have an awesome night, awesome morning, or awesome afternoon wherever you are. It's 5 o'clock somewhere, as people say. So really do enjoy your day/night. And as I come off here, I do want to leave as Bitcoin is closing the 15-minute candle, and it is currently green. For me, it's blue because I've changed my candlesticks to blue and purple. We've got 16 seconds left, and we are blue, which is awesome. It's a nice area to bounce from. We'll just pull up the futures chart real quick. Yeah, there we go. We're blue. Okay then, guys. That'll be it for today's stream. We did just end blue. Now we're going red straight away. All right, guys. Have a safe. Bye bye.